Alright, in this module, we are going to learn how to use some of the Places API libraries and work with maps and markers. We are going to be taking the knowledge that you have learned so far from the previous module and build an app that is a little more complex. By the end of this module, this is what you will have made. It's called CloseBuy app that allows you to get nearby locations data based on the user's current location, type, and radius. Then it shows nearby places data on the Google Maps using markers. Also, the app will be showing the info window, which is the pop-up window with more information about the place when the marker is clicked. Finally, when you click any place item on the left, will automatically show the appropriate marker on the right, like so. This is very handy when a user wants to see where the selected place is on the map. And by the end of this module, you will have learned how to build a 2-column grid layout using Semantic UI CSS framework, how to get places data from nearby search request API, as well as how to fix course error. After that, how to display places data in a list format as well as on the map using markers. Then you're going to learn how to attach a click event to a marker to show the pop-up window, and much more. I am very excited to show you them all. Once you are ready, we will get started with the next lesson.